Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom dashboard in Zoho Books. This feature allows you to personalize your financial overview by displaying only the metrics and data panels that matter most to your business operations. First, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books/. Once you're on the Zoho Books website, look to the top right corner of the page where you'll see the Sign In button. Click on it and enter your Zoho credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll automatically land on the home page, which is the default dashboard view. This is exactly where we need to be to start building your custom dashboard. Now direct your attention to the top menu where you'll find a plus new button. Click on it to begin creating your personalized dashboard. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to configure your new dashboard settings. In the first field, enter a dashboard name that clearly identifies what this dashboard will track. This could be something like sales overview or monthly finance tracker, depending on your specific needs. Below the name field, you'll notice an optional description box. While this step isn't mandatory, adding a brief description helps clarify the dashboard's purpose, especially if other team members will be accessing it. Next, you'll need to determine who can view this dashboard. Select the appropriate sharing option to either grant access to specific users or keep it private for your eyes only. This flexibility ensures sensitive financial data remains secure while still allowing collaboration when needed. Once you've configured these settings, click the Save button to create your new custom dashboard. You'll now be taken to the dashboard setup page where the real customization begins. Look to the left pane and click on Predefined Panels. This section displays all the available data panels that Zoho Books offers, from revenue charts to expense trackers and everything in between. Browse through the available panels and click the plus icon next to each one you want to add to your dashboard. This allows you to handpick exactly which metrics and visualizations appear on your dashboard, creating a truly personalized financial command center. After you've added all the panels you need, simply click the X button at the top right to finalize your setup and view your newly created custom dashboard. You've now created a custom dashboard in Zoho Books that displays exactly the financial information you need at a glance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.